1, go. Hello guys, I'm here with my sister this time. So I've only played with Bean Bones and Soup before on this channel, and so it will be something new. Bo is funky.
Where are you?
I'm alive.
Are
No, I'm on. Oh, yeah, you on the other team. Cause man, I'm on blue. You can even see it right here, man. You're the one on red.
Wait, I'm on red?
Yeah.
Why did I spawn in the blue place?
Oh, I shot you a sniper! I sniped you in the head! Oh yeah, guess what? I'm so good when the season pass released, which doesn't even cost any money in this game. Guess what?
What?
I grinded so much that I got this, right? So you know how I have a sniper which is slow to reload, but it does a ton of damage? Yeah, I also got an Uzi as my sidearm.
Dude, I sniped this guy from like across the map.
I see your bacon kid. Let me try to wipe him out. Shut up. Pow in the nuts. Oh, it's Capitol Hill. Yippee. No, wait, did I shoot him? No, I did not. Boop! Oh man, oh, so close. I almost hit the. Chewies?
Chewy.
Man.
By the way, I am the one on blue.
No, Bo, look.
How do you know?
Look, Bo, it's literally on a blue spot. It's really blue.
Dog. I'm the one on blue.
Look. But wait, let me go, I won't show you, but yeah, Bo, you on blue. I'm on red.
See, it says I'm on blue. And I got a kill, and it says I'm on blue. I'm on blue.
It says I'm on blue.
It's messed up in the head.
Maybe you. Well, you're the one who fried your computer. Maybe it's yours. It's the truth, though. I need to let my viewers know the truth about you. Maybe I should tell them how you broke your headphone jack and fried your computer. Mostly. Should I? I'm pretty tempted to tell them. And the thing is, the reaction was so funny. That's how you broke your headphone jack. Well, I really want to tell them. Why not? Oh, my sister was too embarrassed to tell how she absolutely destroyed them. Did I just? Oh my god! So close to sniping him.
Oh! I got killed by a loser.
I'm getting out my Uzi. Bop, 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 bop. Ah, shizzle! You're like, ooh, I got a free split.
Keep your skin in this?
Oh yeah, when I sniped you, you look the same. No, I do not.
Okay.
Cause you're looking at people with those, like, you see the people with the man pack and stuff, though, like Roblox.
When I look at it, like, from my screen, I have, like...
Oh yeah, that's just how it shows yourself. But other people see you, like... Oh, snipe. 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 Oh my god, I am a sniper. Snipe. Wait, no, I missed that snipe. Oh my god, but falling off saves me. Bro, I have a hunter drone. Everybody's dead. Hunter drone to the rescue. I just got 2 people in 1 hit. No, literally, Bo, I sent a hunter drone after them. How many? No way you just decided to pass me on the leaderboard, Missy. Yeah, I was in that spot until you took it. I can use a rocket launcher. They probably had a sniper.
Arsenal where?
No. So when you die, maybe you don't click off, okay? And then you can buy more guns. And go pew 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 pew. Oh, I just saw you get like absolutely obliterated. I feel bad for you. Not. I saw you get absolutely obliterated. I feel bad for you. Not. I have an Uzi! I'm bombing this. Oh my god! Someone from behind also had an Uzi, didn't they? What else? Oh, stop! Stealing my plane! Shut the little boy! Alright, now, alright, now, do not click off or anything, alright? What you want to do is, alright, so how much money do you think you have? So does, I'm voting shipment, but you can vote whatever you want. Alright. Alright, now do not click off. See, you can buy a bunch of different guns. Oh yeah, that was limited. I have it right now, but yeah, that was limited. How? Oh, you were supposed to be in the Christmas event to get that. Maybe. No, don't you dare land. Oh, land on a book. This game is honestly weird because whenever it's like that speed and everything on one of the special weapons, nah, it just won't. It just doesn't kill. What if I kept just like spending Robux on this?
Dog, these guys have a bomb. Yeah.
Should I spend some Robux? Should I spend some Robux on the wheel? I feel like I should do it just once. I'm doing it, Lord. I'm doing it. Yeah. Got it. Please. Alright, at least I'll get 500,000 credit. Oh! No, I haven't even started playing yet.
Bro.
Oh, you're doing pretty good. I have an Uzi. Everybody get on the ground. Oh my god, bro. I was handling 2 people at once until another dude. I need to get some wheels. Whoa. Finally got that dude, man. Oh, that person just died. How many am I killing? Oh, snipe! Yep. Yeah, I just sniped my sister. Haha. Lame-o loodle.
Polish those guys. Like, legitimately, they died.
Man, you oofed some people. I'm reporting you. I'm reporting you for oofing people. I just slide real quick because I'm cool like that. Got him with the Uzi. Get you with an Uzi. Oh, I'm pro. Did you just steal my thing? No way, that was you who killed me. Okay. Don't you dare ever call me little bro again. And who has that long of a name, my man? I tagged somebody and they had a super long name. then we hug each other. No, you won't. Sword, you should get a second.
Place.
Bop.
Don't place this round. I'm gonna be really bad.
I used to always get sword placed at a ton, and I just got tired about the bad whatchamacallit, just the terrible thing it gives you. Like, it's not even that good to be in sword place. It just gives you faster reload for 40 minutes. Although second place gives you 50,000 credits. Less the credits you earned in that match. No way, I just soft locked myself. Oh wait, no, I can get out of that. And so in fourth place gives you a free wheel spin. What up? Bop, bop, bop. I just flew a grenade. And explode soon. There we go. I had an Uzi. Oh man. I have a sniper and an Uzi. Not Uzi. And so essentially, I accidentally pronounced it Uzi, not even. So whatchamacallit? And so like I essentially have a automatic machine gun essentially, and a sniper rifle. So one is one shot and one's a machine gun. So yeah, I'm just. Womp womp. Oh man, died. And sidearm. Whoa, this is the best sidearm in the game. What do you mean, bro? No way I'm getting that trash sidearm. I have an Uzi, and it's way better than any of those trash things you try to give me. Oh, got a double kill. Got a global snipe into stuff. Oh! That just keeps popping out of nowhere and so annoying. If you couldn't hear, she said she was embarrassing herself in my I know, bro, because it's so annoying how you brainwash. Like, bro, can you stop being brainwashed? Like, bro, I am younger than you. I am closer to Gen Alpha than you, but yet you have the brainwash instead of me. Oh man. Man, that machine gun is always so. I'm gonna clear out a little cabin. Whoa, you literally cannot break that thing, man. You can only break it with a primary or something. Like, what's going on? Snipe. Alright. I'm just gonna stand in here and keep holding the hill. I'm super fine. I'm just chilling. How did it snipe me from there? Whatever. We ballin'. All eyes out. Is that gonna need to get somebody maybe?
Guys, I got stuff on. Guys, I'm not gonna place this round.
I just sniped someone in the head. Wait, am I leaving Robux behind me? Oh, so I do have the Robux thing equipped. Didn't know that. I'm not even getting on the leaderboard this round. Like, bro. Actually, bro.
Duh.
I have a hunter drone. Ready for attack. I have a hunter drone ready for attacking. Better not, because anyone has the hunter drone might just come after you too. Did someone snipe my hunter drone out of the air? How is that even possible, my man? Oh my god, why can't my hunter drone work? Whoa, I can't use my hunter drone! Hunter drone. Oh, my hunter drone isn't working. It's buddy. That's broken for really long intro. I like you handling that well. I like you handling that well. Like you were just like ambushed, but you still survived. Yeah, well. Oh yeah. I just want to talk about once I played with Beyblade with Soup and his bubble. It was insane, alright? So essentially, Soup's Beyblade and his bubble Beyblade literally smushed mine, alright? But yeah, I pulled both of them with me still standing and spinning. And I'm like, how? Huh? Yeah, that happened. I'm not lying. I'm literally not lying. She just said, I remember this, he's not lying, you know. And so I even have my sister's proof. Bro, I'm still Gen Z, and somehow my sister is more brainwashed than me, even though she's more Gen Z than me. Well, it is true, you're closer than Gen Z, even though I am still Gen Z. Bro, I just... Whoa, was that guy like not paying attention or something? He allowed me to... Stop! That's all I hear. Someone being killed or what? Oh, Uzi time! Oh man, I got sniped. No! How did you snipe me from up there? Whoa, you killed me. Wait, whoa, actually no, you got someone else. Like, no, wait, what? I don't know. Well, I jumped though. I was jumped and I was in the air. Do I believe you guys? Should I believe you guys? Fast man. When?
Making me upset.
I'm a cat! Wait, do I have more stuff that I can play? Yeah, no, I'm a kid from my channel. You have cuss words in your TikTok.
Well, okay, say, if you are a bully a fan.
Yeah, no.
Go check out my sister.
No.
I'm trying to be a guy.
What does being a guy have anything to do with this?
I mean, like, I'm just trying to live my life.
Yeah, no, Bob.
So mad.
About what?
About the fact that I scored. Like, from the...
Womp to the freaking womp.
I'm kind of good at this. I don't know.
Should I get this? How much does it cost? That's a lot of money. What about this? Well, this thing's pretty cool. Secondary was the dual wheel dingle.
Dual wheel dingle?
It's dual wheel deagle. Deagle. I have an Uzi. I can't believe. Wait. Soup said this was an Uzi. It's not actually an Uzi. So I'm coming for you. Is there any? What's a Tonto? A Twanto. It's a new name. Money do I have in this thing right now? I have not enough for that. Alright, so the thing is, there's melee weapons in this game. You press F to activate it, I'm pretty sure. I can only have a diamond knife. But yeah. And so this diamond knife, I'm pretty sure can two-shot people. The other one can two-shot people too, but this one's quicker, I think. Even though it should be heavier by the law of physics, but whatever. Sneak up on this guy! Oh, jump! Slice! Oh my god, bro! I'm insane. How did I survive that? I am honestly a god. Oh my god, almost got shot. Okay, well, I just stay cool. Okay, I'm doing pretty good. What just shot me? Oh, no, someone else shot me. You didn't shoot me. Because someone else shot me before you could, so yeah. I was like, who's shooting me? And then I'm like, oh, it's Nico! Oh, you're in second place. Hold that, and then you can do really great things. It will give you really great things. Headshot. Are you being tortured? Stop torturing me today. It will make the person stop torturing you. Yeah, totally, Wolf. Nobody, it has never failed anybody. Nobody has ever been failed by it. Get it today and never have to worry about any torturing ever again. That VIP guy is too OP, man. We need to bring a stop to him. Sadly, he's on your team, so you can't, but like, we need to bring a stop. Oh, but I just fell. Okay, line Wait, I went back to my spawn point. What the please? I have something like an Uzi. Yep, there we go. Dead. How did you know I was there, my man? Oh, I managed to get the VIP guy. I am on for your god. What the lasers, my guy? I don't know what. Well, I was in sword place, but then someone surpassed me. But now I'm in fourth place. Wait, no, I'm still in fourth. Yeah, I'm fourth place in. Wait, I'm in sword place again. Let's go to the moon, to the moon. This guy is hate. I don't like that guy, my man. He's so annoying. Oh my god, you barely dodged me.
I did?
Yeah, you jumped out of the way of my bullet last second. I can't believe. I mean, sword. Even though faster reload is not good at all. Oh, got one. Two. I might actually catch up to you. It might be possible. I'm just saying. It could be. Yeah, I do. Just need 6 more. At least I'll be able to score, it's looking like. Oh man, someone needs to bring a stop to this VIP dude. Like, how did he even get that many kills so quickly? Really? Have you seen him use wall hacks? You are calling me Frost!
Oh, sorry. I was kidding, Frost.
Grenade bomb, grenade bomb. Shoot the Among Us guy! Let's go! I need my plate. Mom. Whoa, someone surpassed me. Man, I'm not happy about this, my man. I am not happy about that. How did you dodge that? Then dodge that. Maybe like, how did you dodge that? Then dodge that too. The fact that you just got sent flying.
Yeah, the person below me is the next round.
Yeah. Oh my god, but I got shot. So I need 5 more to catch up to you, Nico. How do you feel about that? Oh, well, now it's 6. Well, now it's a little more. Bro, they're everywhere! We can't defeat them, bro! Your team is everywhere! The fuck field! Oh, snipe! Oh, couldn't get you up in time, could ya? Hunter drone? My man. A hunter drone, really? Because you guys are too, like, bro, you guys keep going after us, man. It's unfair how strong your team is. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, I missed that bullet by an inch. Bro, you all plugged in, computer. What do you mean? What do you mean? Computer! Yeah, okay. Wait. Sorry guys, my head. I think it should be better. Wait, no, I tried it. Yep, there it is. I'm pulling it down to, let's say, yeah, I'll go to 6. Upgrade because I don't think this game might be too long. Alright, let me. Oh my god, I didn't know you were over there. Oh my god! There's like a sentry like right up here. Right now. What? I was about to snipe you, but your teammate had to shoot me for. Alright, bro. I got a knife. Knife! Oh my god, I'm a hero to my team, my man. That was heroic. I'm lacking behind. I'm lacking behind it. I'm doing good until you guys got spawn camping, and then I couldn't do anything. I was literally just like stuff. But you guys are spawn camping. Whoa, look, it's not my fault for my team's action. Alright, well, I can go get a new battle passing. I'm gonna claim my old stuff. I got a new primary. Should I test it out? Alright, but I'm gonna test out my new primary. Where is this thing? Not that thing. Where is it? Alright, it looks like this is it. Let's try this thing out. Battle passing stunts. But I didn't even get a chance to live. Like, what do you mean, man? Okay, it's not too bad. I could live. Wah, wah.
It's only I sniped myself.
Did you place a grenade anywhere?
No.
A rocket launcher? You might have rocket launcher yourself. Honestly, well, you shouldn't have told me to try this gun out. The one I got from the battle pass. Yeah, you said yeah. So now I'm a menace to society. But now you're spawn camping. Now you're spawn camping, my man. Yeah, stealing is what you're gonna call it. Nah, bro, you're floating filthy spawn camping. I'm going with, and it was a nice behind Milwaukee. Oh my god, I'm the best. run after me. Remember, you are allowed to go leave if you want to, Nico. If you
I still want to play a different game.
Alright, guys, I might have a new video with Nico pretty soon. But for now, I'll see you next time. Bye.